Everyone is telling you to learn AI. Nobody is telling you what to learn, in what order, or why most of what you're learning won't get you hired. Until now. The 2026 AI agent ecosystem has 25+ frameworks. This is what most developers are staring at, paralyzed, overwhelmed, clicking on whichever tutorial has the most views. Architects don't do that. Architects filter. 3 questions, that's all it takes. 1. Does it support multi-agent orchestration? If no, ignore it. 2. Does it have memory and tool use built in? If no, ignore it. 3. Can you deploy it for $0? If no, evaluate very carefully. Everything else? Noise. Move on. Here's the actual 2026 architect stack. 4 layers. Foundation layer, Python plus 1 LLM API. Claude or GPT 5.5. Pick one. Architecture layer, LangChain for orchestration. Crew AI for multi-agent workflows. Evaluation layer. And pay attention here because this is where senior roles live. Ragas or DeepEval to measure whether your agent is actually correct. Deployment layer, Docker plus Fast API plus local models via Ollama. $0. Nobody is teaching this layer. That's why juniors get replaced and architects get promoted. Most tutorials stop at the foundation layer, learn the API, build a demo, ship it. That's exactly what gets you a junior role, right before it gets automated. Companies don't need more people calling the OpenAI API. They need architects who can evaluate whether the output is correct, design the fallback when the model fails, and monitor production agents at scale. Here is the 4-month roadmap, $0. Month 1, master LangChain, build one real pipeline. Month 2, build a multi-agent system with Crew AI. Give each agent one job. Month 3, add evaluation. Learn to measure what your agent gets wrong. Month 4, deploy it, document it. That's your portfolio. 4 months, user to architect. The full playlist is in the description. The AI Career Architect Series. Every video in order. Stop being a user. Become an architect.